So excited.
So excited, so excited. Yo, the tree! Tree! They're so cute. Oh my god, oh my god. An absolutely goofy weekend with one of my best friends. 2 Zelios. What is up, my friend? My name is Monique. I am with Tuan from BRB No Reception.
Hello.
Where are you taking us this weekend?
We're going on an adventure into the mountains.
As usual, but not really usual because this time my Land Cruiser is not here. As you can see, I am sitting on the right side. Yes, I'm on the right side, but it's the passenger side because we're in North America and this is a North American vehicle. Anyways, I have been stuck on the hoist for 2 weeks now. The maintenance jobs that originally I needed to do since early spring, it's finally getting done. So I have my lower control arm bolt joint totally ovaled out and bad, so I'm changing all of that arm together. And in the same time we found out my passenger side lower control arm is cracked. So about this crack on this control arm, I am just that close to losing my shit. This is no joke. Suspecting it is because of the torsion bar here mounting to this bracket and then torn off the control arm. They're cracking. So this time we're going to do, with the new control arm, a reinforced bracket. So with this, instead of only putting the force on here, this surface, we'll need to drill into the new control arm 2 holes underneath, and it puts the force on this whole arm instead of just on this one surface. And with that, we're changing the front brake rotor, front wheel bearing, checking my rear axle leak, all of that stuff. It was almost ready for pickup today. By the time I got to the shop, it came back from a alignment shop, and apparently they messed up the torsion bar bolt during alignment. So that's another new part in order. We're not sure when it's going to come. I can only hope that it can be done next week because we're having a long weekend next weekend. So fingers crossed we're not staying up there for too long. It's taking up the shop's time, it's taking up, I guess, my time, and I have to bug friends to drive me. Thanks for driving, mate.
It's no problem. It's not a problem.
So if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Monique. Usually I travel with my Land Cruiser, but this time we are in a Toyota Tacoma Blue. I also brought a new toy that I just got. I want to show you guys later, but it's on 2 wheels. That's just a little snippet. Stay tuned. The Chief! I still haven't hiked this mountain. I need to. Everybody kind of hike it. With my rig in maintenance mode, I'm thankful to have friends to take me into the mountains. In the last episode, I did a whole trip with another person. It made me recognize that I've been shielding myself as a protection mechanism. It's not always healthy. So I told myself to try to open up, to dabble the idea of getting back to the human network. If you've been following me for a long time, you can probably figure out the storyline of my life. Anyways, the memo is, I'm trying to be more social. Are you excited?
So excited.
So excited, so excited. We're going to see some people watching in the mountains.
Oh,
Can you hear the music already? It's gonna be great. Wow. Wow, look at the mountains. Whoa! my god. There's still like a bit of angle. It didn't really, was that new? That might be new? Is that new?
That part of the tree.
Oh, then it's,
That's nothing.
yeah, you'll be alright.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
that one.
You have a duct tape?
Duct tape it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, you got yourself a little now.
Duct tape fixed everything. Somebody got over excited. Anyways. Good! Good, too much. Back a bit. Back a bit. Good. Since I'm riding passenger, I gotta set up my own tent this time. It was such a scramble to pack up since most of my stuff were in the Land Cruiser. I have to go to the shop and pick up so many things from my cruiser home last minute. Yep, my cruiser is basically my home. Without it, I feel so lost. This tent, I've been using it whole summer last year, camping with Julia, but she's no longer here, but still gonna use it, so it's a lot of room for myself. And the thing is, I only have to blow up one side of the pillow because there's only me. Juan's got a new canopy set up now that he sleeps inside now. Look at that, how cozy is that? We got two drawers, side open canopy, you can open from the outside there, and then it's a short bed, so it's not 6 feet, but you can sleep sideways if you have enough room. And I guess he gave up on that one.
Yeah, I know. It's better to be a chandelier.
Chandelier?
Yeah.
Okay, truth be told, I don't really know how to ride a bike and I don't even have a bike rack, but this thing is an electrical folding bike, so I can kind of scramble it into a smaller size and just stuff it in the trunk. That's basically how we brought it here. It's got 20-inch fat tires, so perfect for riding on a dirt road. We'll see how that goes. With the electrical assist, if you add in paddling, the max speed can go to 30 miles per hour. But if you only use the electrical, it's 20 miles per hour, but still pretty damn fast, consider it's just a bicycle still. Let's hope I don't fall.
Luck.
Huh?
Good luck.
Oh my god.
Brake, brake! Don't pedal, stop pedaling!
When I say I don't know how to ride a bike, I mean it. The bike came 90% assembled, but after installing the rest of the parts, I was too chicken to try it out, so I asked the shop boys to test it for me. Dude!
Oh, it's pedal assist too.
It's got a 14 amp hour battery inside, but what if it dies when you're on a trail? Well, you can still bike it like a normal bike without an e-assist, or you can charge it if you have a power station, like I always do.
What flavor do you like?
I don't eat steak.
I know.
Yeah. Fish flavored steak, maybe.
It's actually really good. We mix all of this together.
All right, here we go.
Yep, since I'm a pescatarian and do not eat steak, he at least cooked some eggs for me. Thanks, Juan. Walking around, look, 2 Zelios. Sorry. We are at what they call it a bush rave. That's why I am sort of kind of dressed up.
No, the lighting's really good.
They're so cute! So far, the people I've met are really nice, and it will be a real good test of, I guess, me going to such an event and meeting a lot of people. So let's hope it's good. So we're just gonna go visit one of the DJs that's playing tonight at midnight. Look at her cabin. So fuzzy. So this is Freezy.
Hi.
And you're playing at
Bambala.
Bambala at midnight. That's like a very important set right now.
Yeah, so I'll be the headliner tonight, and I'm very excited to play a mixture of some of my favorite tracks mixed in with a little bit of new stuff. And yeah, super stoked to be here and to be performing.
How long have you been playing? And what got you into this?
I'm actually a first-year DJ. My career goes way back though with dancing and performing. I've performed places like Electric Love, Shambhala, and just dancing to everyone's sets made me want to curate my own. So I started to pick up DJing. My lovely boyfriend gave me a little controller that I was practicing on, and yeah, from there it just kind of hit the ground running, got really good.
Nice.
And been playing for about a year now, I'd say.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see some of her performance later today. So, guys, stay tuned.
Love you. Murpy on the decks. All right, we out here at Bambala. We got Murpy on the decks at 12 o'clock. Let's go.
I was lucky to dance with her briefly before her set came up. And by dancing, I mean, you all know I can't dance. So, at least this time, I am not the only one goofing around.
We got Murpo on the decks. Hope you like fucking filthy beats and house music. Let's see those booties shake for me. Happy Bambala!
Shortly into her set, I found this weird looking guy standing beside me.
Been a long time, hasn't it?
rest of the night was mostly a blur. There were heaps of freestyle performers, and all I remember was how cool and danceable each drop was. If you're interested in the event itself, they did have an official filming crew, Honey Mustard Media. I'll link their channel in the description for better quality video of this night. I'm just here to enjoy the music. It's my day off. I shouldn't be filming anyways. Good morning, Tuan. Get up. I'm hungry.
And that is it. We are packed and out. This is my first time coming into the bush with such an event going on. I know in Australia there's something called DOOF, which is pretty much a bush rave, but I've never been to one while I was there. It's only this time when Tuan told me about this event, I'm like, should I go try it? Maybe I'll go try it. It's actually really well organized. I wouldn't have thought, you know, a bunch of people coming out into bush, they might have trashed it and leave a huge mess. But no, this morning when everyone's packing up, the organizing team, I believe it might be their volunteer team, was coming around to each campsite, picking up garbage, telling us to pack out what we pack in, and if we can't bring it into your own vehicle, just leave it in a bag and put it into an RV where they have, and they can clean up everything after everyone is gone, which is super nice, because for people like us that come to the bush a lot, we might not really like, you know, this sort of event because of the potential of trashing the site. But nah, it's really, really well organized and really well prepared and nice setup. Leave it pretty clean. You probably wouldn't notice what have happened this week if you come next weekend. So good day. Ready to film? Are we ready to film?